Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. HPB welcomes you. Today, I'm going to talk about Tesla, one of the most innovative companies. It's not just an automobile company, it's actually a tech company which also do automobile manufacturing. They have giant gigafactories like in Berlin, in Shanghai, China, and in United States, in Texas, in California. So now let me talk about some of the interesting facts about Tesla. Tesla was founded in 2003, 17 years ago. The overarching purpose of Tesla Motors is to help expedite the move from a mine and burn hydrocarbon economy towards a electric economy. This is the line which was said in 2006 by Elon Musk. And it's quite evident that in present time we can feel that. Tesla is not just a company with a very high valued stock, but also a tech company which is completely working day and night to make it more autonomous. And if I'm talking about autonomous, I'm talking about self-driving car. I'm talking about more innovation. I'm talking about more comfort, reliability, and more innovation in terms of sustainable resource and energy. So when we talk about Tesla, we always think about a green energy which is sustainable, which can run by solar power, which can run by batteries, which can run by electric vehicles. So now let me discuss about some of the interesting facts about Tesla as more. So one of the most interesting fact about Tesla is that it's its stocks. Its stocks has seen ups and downs in recent 1 year. It's like completely insane. If I go you and walk you through how it has been, you can see that in last 1 year it was up by $324.20. Sounds pretty amazing, to me at least. And there was in February there was a huge surge, and the highest price was $182 and around, and again it dropped. Then back in March when coronavirus hit, it was a complete disaster. And again going back, um, during the time in July, it touched on 21st July or 22nd July. I'm not 100% sure. On 23rd July, it appears like it has $338.80. This is post split. Post split. I'm talking about. I'm sorry. Um, I remember that Tesla stock has touched $900 during the time in February, and there was news that most of the Saudi Arabian holdings were sold off um, in Tesla stock. So at that time, there was some bad news and it dropped. And after that, we saw coronavirus hit America and there was complete lockdown. And as a result, there was a complete sell off of uh, NASDAQ stocks as well as other financial stocks. So we can discuss about that later. But Tesla stocks have been completely insane run after the announcement of splits. Why splits are so important? Because in the past, Apple have done splits a number of times. When a company do splits, it just reflects the confidence that they have in their stocks, that they are going to increase. Meanwhile, there are some companies which fell down in their revenue and which fell down in their market. Then what happens that they end up having lower stocks. They do stock merge and they make it of more value. So Tesla is looking very confident and it already have crossed $300. So if you combine $373.74 and multiply by 5, you will still get above $1,800 of share, which is quite evident and which tells you the confidence that Tesla have in its stock. So even after huge downfall in last 1 week, you can still say that this Tesla stock is holding up to the position and it's getting little more stabilized around 360 to 370, and that is when the time when the market of tech market is completely selling off. So I personally believe that it's going to have a run till battery day, and after that we will see what happens. But in the long term, I'm very bullish about this stock, and this can go up and up and up. Kathy Woods have predicted to be $7,500 post split. So sorry, pre split. So post split it would be around $1,500 per stock, which is price target for 2025. And it looks to me very possible much before 2025, because the way in which Tesla is growing, the way in which demand is increasing, it's completely out of blue. So let me go back to the Tesla. So after Model X and its design, which is completely eye-catching, and Model Y, it appears to be like it has more features, more improvements. Tesla have so much data that any other company cannot compete with Tesla in terms of EVs and in terms of autonomous vehicles. So self-driving car, Tesla is among the leader, and they have vehicle, they have data collecting every day, they have billions of mile of data. So I personally believe that Tesla is in a quite good position to have a good hold on the overall EV market. Now let's talk about some of the other facts about Tesla. So it not just looks good, it also have been a very reliable car in recent times. Let's have a look at some of the news in past. So Tesla Model 3 maintains position as China's most sold EV model in August. In in the United States, as we all know, that Tesla is the only leader of EV market currently. There's no other car which comes to your mind, especially to millennials like me. I would definitely not go for any other car, especially the merger of Nikola and General Motors, which both are like failed companies, and Nikola is having no factory, and they are being audited for the promises that they have done is real or fake. On the other side, we can see everyday Tesla running on road, having so many videos of seeing having autonomous features and so many new innovations like long million mile battery and solar panel system, and their new innovative way of collecting solar energy into electric vehicles. So many innovative things that Tesla have done in the past. In the United Kingdom, Tesla Model 3 have been hailed as the most reliable executive car. So, again, a good news. This picture is very important. And why this picture is very important, I will tell you the screen. So, as we all know that when you go to buy a Tesla car, you will see this option of autonomous self-driving car. So, if you want to purchase that self-driving feature, you have to put $8,000. I'm talking in 2020 in September, but in the past years it was earlier started from 5,000, then 6,000, and then 7,000. It's currently $8,000. So you can imagine that the cost of autonomous features is increasing day by day, and it's improving day by day as well. Now it has a red light detection, it has parking facilities, it has autonomous driving lane changes and everything. So Tesla is collecting data. They have improved a lot, they are improving every day, and when they reach level 5 of autonomous, they will make it uh, even more bigger into maybe a ride hailing app, which was promised earlier by 2020, but it doesn't appear to have introduced in the market by so soon. But Elon Musk has promised about million mile battery for sure, which can be possible by end of this month itself. So there are so many interesting facts coming up, so many new technologies which are going to be introduced. But one more thing, important thing I'm talking about is battery. Tesla battery business can be huge. When we talk about Tesla, we talk about so many valuable things which can completely change autonomous industry, auto industry, and usage of sustainable resources like solar energy, like electric energy, etc. So how Tesla battery business can be very profitable. So there are so many electric vehicles which are getting introduced, and Tesla can be manufacturer of those electric vehicles battery system. Tesla has already patented so many of their battery systems and their innovations that they have done. Tesla is expected to unveil and unleash their new innovative million mile battery in coming 22nd September battery day. So it can be a huge business and it can be a complete game changer. Believe me or not, Tesla has so many room of improvement and so much of reliability in sustainable resources that in coming future and seeing all these natural disasters in progress like in California wildfires, I believe that sustainable energy resource will play a huge role in coming future. Elon Musk has already told in his tweet that many exciting things will be unveiled on Battery Day 9/22. So I am shooting this video currently today. Today is 30th of September, but I'm telling you that in future Tesla will have huge amount of potential to grow, and it will keep growing. I personally believe that this company has huge amount of potential in changing this whole world, not just United States or China or some of the countries that they operate, but rather whole world. There's one thing which distinguishes any other company, any other electric vehicle from Tesla, and that is this person, Elon Musk. He is very innovative person, and he himself has devoted a lot of time in technology, starting from Zoom, PayPal service to solving so many problems. And you have seen in recent time how SpaceX, from being bombarded by so many questions and having no revenue, and was asked by so many investors that where they will get back their money from. We have seen so many failures of SpaceX, and then now SpaceX is going to capable of sending satellites, more than 50 plus satellites in orbit. So he started a company from scratch, and now it's partnering with NASA, doing one of the best things in the world. This is the same person who has also started the boring company. The boring company is building up in Hyperloop in California for faster routes. And there are so many other things that this person is doing, especially to make our life more comfortable as well as more reliable towards natural resources and green energy. So, taking in considering all these facts, I personally think that Tesla have enormous amount of potential, and this company in near future will have a different prospect from the people. There's so many haters and analysts which keep giving the price target pretty low. Like 2 days ago, UBS have doubled its price target from 175 to 350. But I'm serious, like how can you talk about Tesla stock, which is already at $373, to have a price target of $350? Maybe it's not a fair valuation. So was with Amazon, so was with Apple. And these are not just product, these are tech companies. They have huge amount of potential in AI technology in coming future. They can replace humans with the ride hailing apps. uh, Tesla can also do great in their insurance business. They will have new revenues. I'm talking about a variety of things and a lot of potential. I'm not talking about a very narrowed one company which is selling a car. It's not just selling a car. Selling car and manufacturing a car can be mastered in a smaller amount of time, but having technology to run that car is something which is challenging. I believe in this person, and I also believe that one day Tesla will be complete autonomous, will have self-driving business, and everything will be possible to have cheaper electric cars to be introduced in Asian market, especially in big markets like India or Philippines or other South Asian countries which doesn't have so much uh, current possibility of having electric vehicles, but in near future they will have a cheaper one, so that it's more affordable, so that it can reach masses. And this is the main factor which distinguishes Elon Musk with other um, innovative person, is that he thinks of the current problem to solve the problem with some solution which can help the whole mankind, not just company and stocks. So that is why I'm thinking about the battery day as a big day for not just Tesla but for the whole EV market and green energy. So brace yourself and see this video today, and maybe you can revisit this video after 5 years and you will see that how things have changed and how Tesla did. But this is all my personal opinion, and I believe if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give us a huge thumbs up, because I took some effort, I put some effort to make this video, and I hope you appreciate it. Thank you so much for giving your time, and have a wonderful day. Bye.